Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. I'm going to show you the Salem Cruise Light by Forest River. It's actually a 2017 171 BXL. Excuse me, it's not a bunkhouse. It's a rear lounge, rear entertainment area kind of. I'll show you that when we get on the inside. This is a non-slide unit. It's pretty small, it's not very big. Good towable by most any kind of rig. Just depends on your tow capacity. Anyhow, power tongue jack, dual propane tanks, battery location is some of your features here on the front of this trailer. It does have a front pass-through bay, which I do love. Plenty of storage inside there. Your fresh water fill, your drain. You have an outdoor shower on this bad dog too. So you kind of move down the side of the unit. Your plugs are on this driver's side. Pretty good for most camps. You'll be all right there. You do have a Sandy flush. This has a lot of good features a lot of other trailers have. As we make our way around the other side, let's see what we got on the passenger side here. You got your entry door. You have power jacks, power stabilization jacks, a button here and a button in the back for that. Outdoor speakers. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory. It does have a power awning that's about the whole length of the darn thing, which is pretty great. And it does, which is kind of nice about some of these Salems and stuff Forest River puts on their trailers, is you have this fold down rack. Now this rack folds down, and you just pin it down in place, and you put your bikes or put whatever you want in there, a little generator, a little firewood or something along those lines, put your cooler back here, extra storage, especially if you're towing this for like an SUV or something, don't want some of that stuff inside. Speaking of inside, let's go take a look inside this unit. So as you make your way right inside, I'll show you this front area here. You got a sideways bed, it's to conserve space, it is only 17-foot model or so. You got a nice big closet here for hanging, and then you do have a privacy curtain to kind of close off the bedroom area. And thermostat there on the wall, easy access. As you come around, you have a nice big bathroom. Decent spot to shower and do your business. And as you kind of make your way to the back, this is kind of a rear entertainment coach. You're going to have the booth dinette and a couch, both make into a beds. A little TV, entertainment center up there in the corner, and you have storage all the way around. Now this does have some nice curtains and whatnot. It being pre-owned is kind of a nice piece of inventory here. It looks lightly used. It's very clean. It has the nice Suburban stove top and everything glass, flush to the countertop, microwave oven, storage all over. So there's this piece available and any other type of piece of inventory here at Guaranty RV. I'm happy to help you. My name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please feel free to give me a call or text if any of these inventory here you want to look at. I'm more than happy to help you. Have a great day. Thank you.